no can unwi.
I tell you.
Aye, but e di cancel. Because I was and crying. Especially woman, aya na ye me ya pa kese ye woman a current dine. But if you realize something, omo mko si fie no was a baby enya no dodo no anya ho no mote. Omo de marriage. Ono na onim se asasra me kotoye no. One eye ekwan mu asase ana eye nsuo ana eye we nti da chi bibi betimi aba no. Se nipa no kora won kotena ho.
Ontena ho.
O sase de dynama rent se be ya. Obetete ne kan kakra nti bibi sikura wate ne kawie. Ti most of them that's what they do. One, womo koto asase ne kan. Two, your institution say failure. The municipal district assembly. So okay, a lawyer betra hand. And we learned a lot from discussion I have with.
Yeah.
And then your traditional leaders, ahim for no su bi kan. We said you can.
That's right.
Now, wa wo koto asase no. A dear due diligence na say we. It was so who baby akoto asase no. Side plan na ye de ama wo. Kwa assembly ko check say eye no kre. Baby e wono plan ne sa na tie. E ho kra ye si dan wo ho. E residential na nye residential. All those things no. E say ko verify. And sakra na ubetwa ho ka bia na be bibia why den. Why but on say ye to asase no most of the times ye time.
Yen hwesa.
Oh, am me paper.
Aye.
Wama me paper bi.
No dimirika. And there's a culture so onim say osin intentem a.
Aye.
Ye mumu.
But usin intentem a that be e be to say de ekoso Ramsey.
Very sad. Very sad.
Ebia enye 10 years, enye 20 years.
That's right.
But in the years ahead no, emrad me say crime has no expiry date.
At all.
That's for some abeye no. Any no say
that
be ebeba. Enti yenye careful o mom koton sase no. Baby a woto asase no verify. Say ho no et say. Now coming to the institutions. On say wo koje permit no. No ma bebre wo be provide.
Yes.
Jeff met me a project yamaya. There are so many things so who provide. Osha stage 1 no requirements no class submissions no. Here say new structures are obeye and a development are obeye no. Ode building application ne be kono. Ese land title na ka ho. Certificates no. These certificates ka ho. Clearance forms so ka ho. And now 4 copies of a site plan. E ka ho. 4 sets of architectural drawing. HS dan ya me besi no besi ni sei. Entia abrosan ebe woma dan kura sei. Ekwa to the extent say materials ade besi dan no mpo. Edia na me wanwa say ya mo obi permit no akosi dan. Ewiase ane aka kire yen say iron rods odi si dan no. Enye no na efu. But odi bi buy ya no atro iron rods crow person use so hu say no na ye.
Yes.
Eti who supervised it? But unim de esi okromo committee na lawyer kan. Omo muti committee so ma approval for permit. All of them are engineers. Na engineers are omo assembly what they do ne say omo call rounds are. E dan no a ye be sie no a say omo supervise me ehwe say materials na ye dey ye na no an ye dey ye. E no an so ma ko ne omo say asimesi wa page drum pempe so no atro produce permit. Produce permit.
Yes.
Produce permit. What China manipa na besie wie. And you guys are there. Wabeje approval. Ebi wo permit o, ma wo nsi dan ni ye. Obeje permit o che say we ni na me besi dan no. Me si dan ni say. Obi okro okwa wo so wo si dan. Obekọ no na o si
abrosan ato so be de ho.
But engineer wo kromo obetimi asia wie akodum pempensuo bi. Ansana ya betron say produce permit.
Sir.
And who supervise because the party buy no so okosi dan. So you should do a follow up and check.
Sir.
I blame our institution.
Yes, and I'm so monitoring no. Unim the man say produce permit no.
Yeah.
One more to asase ni say o mesi dan no. O man kasa hye o ho chiro bi gu dan no ho. O sidru ba bi a no a chiro produce permit agu ho. Onim say obi ama mehwe. Enti produce permit wo twem na ho say gu ho. Oh, ya chiro produce permit enti.
Ya behwe.
No fa chiro no si. No si. I no mo fa chiro no si. No si. Obehu na o si awie.
But the hu ne say some of the engineers no. Omoko rounds they are interested in writing produce permit no. Say be ya ombenya sa 10,000 20,000 say abrosan 20,000.
What you say?
The one man say omo beje wa 20,000 na omo dia hye na din. And me wonwa say building ye be ma permit say nipa na nkosi. Okusi wia na asema ba chiri. And then the person who actually the committee omo mo trans your ma approval no. Nothing happens to anybody. because they are supposed to supervise.
That's right.
Eti why ni etwe na so say uma approve awie no wan hwa me anye de se na fata.
Yes.
Eti ye twe waso.
Yes. Eda ya bu agu ekum ni panyina what say atwe engineer bia so da.
Obia ensida. Ba ye behwe no ye see anro ross no fire na nka edi so oyisu sa oyisu say. Eti omo so ye fiewrafo nothing happens. Fiewrafo no bibia anto omu. Eti one maka tro ba bia free. One omo eto asase na ye see dan no. Fiewrafo na asase wrafo no ka ho. Two, institution maka assembly engineers who are supposed to be held responsible.
That's right.
Now our traditional leaders ye benya nsase na me de ohini we aton asase ama me ohini we na ma me tumi se me nkoso and how kind they are the custodian of the land.
Yes. Omo hwe so ma ye kekew.
Mo ye de ahye mo nsase mo hwe so ma mo ya ahemfo nti na ofiri ohini foforo be
Sa
enkran kura de ya na etan ne se we free so na we ba was me so ma ba ye be kana foforo be kai se ba ku bi madam fu bi de was akotua asase de bo foforo. Oh enti sa wo hene no so a ono so hwe se na eho no eye ba bia ebi kura assembly no aka say eho no eye race zone. Flood prone zone. Any says asase ni ye si dan kura ye den e wo ho eye nsuo kwan na ehu se wo hene bi ta ekire wo twa sa ho no mai no sa wo hene ne de ye no. You see the hypocrisy o my way mo no because aya na nsentin time e chinkitwa na eja kese ye
kire ha ya bebia wo we
enu nti ne ebre yi
kofi e kire ha ya
yeah
community ni mu ho no hu se me fa ho me hu se omo ye fuel station bi ho na e very risky to send that me tia say community no wa ye komo careful e serious
yeah be yes wo because obi am approval EPA hwe adan ben ho hwe ade ehu no ade na wo kan de ma na ye me hu no ye kire ha ya ehu nya kire ya asori man po akira ma me modin
okay
and EPA ne ho anwanfo no te ho hwe at the end of the day we be see filling station.
That's right.
What happens
owie ne me see
ye aduane wo mu fie
oh fitafo so kra wa
eja fitafo wo nchen ho and ye te ho ahun na ye wie because ebia de wabeje no ni mu adu anansentin time enchi no at the end of the day say oh atawin chema si ni abeye hu dede but we saw it coming.
That's right.
I don't know your problem ne one ye pese sa adi twa omo a eto asase omo ato asase na si dan no a eni so omo si ni sa akwan no so no punish them ye mamra na omo di institutions e fairly committee na wa assembly ho DC the best son but those people they are still there. Sir, engineers, so technocrats.
That's right.
They need to be punished.
That's right.
And then three, you're involved. Young cracky whips, no.
Okay.
Because if you don't do that, may say you better they be a better story.
Round. Ovary.
Yeah,
yes.
Yeah, just quick one. Who said, "Oh, Casano, me Cassan and say President Casse, or say the